If you're using the Microsoft Office 365 version of the Teams right here, on the left side you can see there's three-dot button. So this allows you to add in apps. So to do that, you need to click on this right here, and here you can see there's different apps that you can access. Let's say, for example, if you want to go around and access the wiki over here, then you can just go around and add in a wiki over here on the left side, as you can see, and the wiki page loads up. Similarly, you can go around and click on the three-dot icon, and then let's say, for example, you want to add in, let's say, for example, something like shifts right here, then you can add in shifts over here. Then it accesses that out right here, just like this. You can go around and add in, let's say, IdeoClass notebook right here that I have over here as well, just like this, and so forth. So you can see that you can access out all these apps right here for more functionality. And you can also go around onto more apps right here and see what is here. So let's say, for example, you want this or box or grades right here and so forth. So all of them can be integrated over here just like this. So there's Power BI. So if I were to go around right here and add it, then you can see that the app can be accessed over here on the left side. And this gives countless number of possibilities, as you can see right here, as it increases the functionality of Microsoft Teams by a lot. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.